Welcome to Competition Success Academy, a beacon of knowledge and inspiration. Our school blends modern infrastructure with a nurturing environment, creating the perfect setting for holistic learning. Our sprawling sport grounds and facilities promote fitness, teamwork, and sportsmanship. Behold the heart of CSA vibrant community, the assembly ground, a place where voice unite and values are instilled. Every morning, this space transforms into a hub of energy and harmony, as students and teachers come together to begin their day with purpose and positivity. Under the school flag, our assembly ground becomes a stage for inspiration. Here, leaders addresses the students. Whether it's the soulful prayer, the rousing national anthem, or motivational speeches, every moment fosters a sense of unity, discipline, and pride. Hey everyone, today I will take you along a day in our school. You will get to see all the curriculum activities from classes to hanging out with teachers, friends and all the children along with principal sir. First of all, I will show you the location of our school. Let me show you. This side it is the east and this is the road of Rajgram. And this side it is west of our school. This side is the road of Gopalpur. So dear friends, now I will show you the heart of our school, the heart of Competition Success Academy. I mean the office of our school. So let me show you. Okay, this is our office room of our school. So this side you can see, this is our reception, and here sitting our receptionist, Hidayat sir. He is doing his work. And this side you can see it is crafts made by, projects made by the students. Closely I can show you, come closer. See, this is a project made by Sophia Naz of class 1. She has made it very well. You can see how much beautiful it is. You can see one by one, it is very beautiful. All the students have made it very beautiful. And here you can see one of the student, Jisan Sheikh, has made a water cycle. It is made very perfectly. It is made very well. You can see it. And these all the projects are made by the students, and which was the very good projects we have collected in the office. And this side you can see, this is our principal office. You can see it is written on the banner. This is our principal room. Now I will show you the hostel of our school. So this side, this is the hostel of our school. All the students are getting very much more very safe facilities. You can see how much big bed it is for the students. This side also they are living, and in this room also some few students are living. And this side also, let me show you. Here also some few students are living. You can see how much nicely they are living. They are living very neat and clean. This is the large and beautiful main gate of our CSA school. Now let's go and see our mess. Now we can see their side. They are making the students line. Show them their side. Here we can see students are making line. They are taking one by one. This is our mess. These students are eating. This side also students are eating. Let's ask one by one how was the food. Okay, first let's ask to Imtiaz, how was the food?
Biryani.
Okay, it is biryani.
Yes.
Okay, come on, let's go ahead. Let's ask one of the girl, how was the food, Najia?
It was okay.
It was okay, very good. She felt very tasty. It was okay. Come on, now let's come ahead. Excuse me, sir. How was the food, man?
The food is very tasty.
Very good. The food is very tasty. All the students are saying that food is very tasty. Now I will show you the bell of our school. So you can see this is the automatic bell of our school. It rings at every period and timetable fixed by our school. This is the small school road of our school, which you can go to our school garden and academic. Now I will show you the school garden of our school. This side you can see, this is the school garden of our school. Now the plants are small. It has been planted few months ago only. So my dear friends, now we shall go to our tour, that is for classroom tour. Here I will show you the academic of our school. This is the academic of our school. You can see behind of me. And now I will take you particularly to all the classes. The teachers are teaching, the students are reading. I will take you particularly. First of all, I will take you to the LKG class. You can see. Okay, tell me what is your name?
My name is Alkorovidas.
And in which class do you read?
I reading class LKG.
Okay, very good. Sit down, please. Now you stand up. Which subject are you reading now?
English subject.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Now, here you can see this is the teacher of this school. So, sir, please tell us something new experience of teaching in this school.
Hello everyone, myself Nisar Kaji. I'm English teacher here, and this school is really amazing, and the students are also good. They are very confident with us, and it is very easy to teach them in this school. Thank you everyone.
We can see here, this is the class 1, the sir is teaching them. The students are sitting silently. Okay, now you boys stand up. What is your name?
My name is Tobi Hussain.
Okay, now which subject are you reading?
General knowledge.
Okay, very good. Sit down. Here is the teacher teaching in class 1. So let me ask you some question. So sir, please tell me which subject are you teaching them?
General knowledge, sir.
Okay. Then how is your experience of teaching the students?
मुझे तो यहाँ पढ़ा के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। बच्चे लोग भी पढ़ने में मतलब जागरूक थे, और यहाँ के बच्चे भी अच्छे हैं, समझ जाते हैं हर बात को अच्छा से, कुछ भी मतलब कोई तकलीफ नहीं देता, मतलब पढ़ने में इन्हें में बहुत ही अच्छे हैं।
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Here you can see this is the class 2nd. Now let us go inside. You can see the teacher is teaching them. ये हमारे स्कूल के बंगाली और हिंदी टीचर हैं। तो सर कृपया करके आप अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए।
मेरा नाम है परवेज आलम। मैं यहाँ पर पिछले 1 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ। मुझे यहाँ पर पढ़ाने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। मुझे खुशी महसूस हो रहा है कि मुझे यहाँ पढ़ाने का मौका मिला है। धन्यवाद।
Okay, now I will take you to class 3. Okay, this is the class 3, and we can see the teacher is writing some question on the blackboard. So first of all, let me ask to all the students. So students, which subject are you reading now? Yes! Okay, are you feeling well? Yes, sir! Okay. This is the painting of our students on the wall of the 3 class students, girls and boys. It is painted very beautiful. They have painted the class very well. They have made it very beautiful. And here you can see of our school. It is fixed in all the classes. From office, the principal sir used to say he used to give us instruction, we used to listen in the classes. And this side you can see in the corner, there is a CCTV. So here all the activities of the classes are watched by the principal sir. Hello sir.
Hello.
What are you doing now?
I'm checking copies, sir.
Okay, please tell me something about yourself.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Abhishek Murmu. I'm here as a maths teacher. I'm teaching here since 6 months. I make them understand the concept clearly. I wish I will be here further also. Thank you, everyone.
Now, dear friends, I will take you to the class of 4-5 class, and I would like to tell you that this class is very special for our school, because in this class we teach the students for the Navodaya entrance exam. So let me take you to that class. May I come in, sir? Here we can see the teacher is teaching them. So sir, please tell me what is your name?
Yusuf Khan.
Okay, then now please can you tell me about yourself?
हाँ, मैं CSE का मैथ टीचर हूँ। अभी मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ क्लास 4-5 का।
Okay, sir.
यहाँ कुछ स्टूडेंट बैठा हुआ है जो नवोदय के लिए प्रिपरेशन ले रहा है। अभी मैथ क्लास चल रहा है उन लोगों का।
Okay, sir.
आप देख पाएंगे बोर्ड में करता है वो लोग, कॉपी में भी कर रहे हैं अभी।
Okay, sir.
आप लोग पूछ सकते हैं स्टूडेंट को कुछ।
Okay, dear students, how is your going your exam preparation?
Very well.
Okay, you stand up. Don't tell me अभाज्य संख्या क्या है?
जो संख्या का मात्र 2 गुना है तो उसे अभाज्य संख्या कहते हैं।
Okay, very good. Sit down. I think the preparation is going very well. So thank you, sir, for giving a valuable time. So, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
यस
So please, can you tell me what is your name?
मेरा नाम है जूही खातून। मैं इस क्लास में साइंस पढ़ाती हूँ, ये 8 क्लास है। और मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि मेरा ये जो स्कूल है, इस स्कूल में मैं बहुत दिन से काम कर रही हूँ, लगभग 1 साल होने आ रहा है। इस स्कूल का सब कुछ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। अगर अच्छा नहीं होता तो शायद मैं यहाँ पे रह नहीं पाती। यहाँ का बच्चे, टीचर, मासी लोग, यहाँ के ऑनर सब कोई बहुत ही अच्छे हैं। बस मैं इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि यहाँ का जो मतलब रहन सहन है, खान पान है, मतलब बातों से लेकर व्यवहार से लेकर सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छे हैं। थैंक यू।
So my dear friends, you can see my surroundings, how evergreen and neat and clean it is. This type of campus we keep in our school. So dear friends, now let us see our playground. So one by one I will show you. Now first of all, let me show you our volleyball ground. So this side you can see this is our volleyball ground. Here teachers, principals are also used to play along with the childrens. As now I show you the volleyball ground, so now let me show you our cricket ground. So this side, this is the cricket ground. You can see how much beautiful it is. It is surrounded by the mango trees and everywhere you can see it is evergreen, even though the grass are green still. And you can see this is the ground where we play cricket as well as we held our assembly ground. This is also called assembly ground. So my dear parents and friends, this was the full and complete tour of our school, and you saw in this video that all the facilities and all the full campus of our school. So this is Competition Success Academic, Rajgram, Birbhum, West Bengal. So if any guardian wants to admission a new student in this school, so you can visit our school, or you can also come to see our school, all the facilities, all the curriculum activities you can see. So thank you for watching this video.